Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for e-business week 5 assignment 5. So the first question is, which of the following most directly affects the response time of an information service? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, goals for quality of information services, performance, response time may be caused by ISP, network, servers, applications, third-party services. So the answer for our first question is B. ISP, latency and network congestion. And now let's go to our question number 2. Which of the following statements correctly describes our characteristics of a web server? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, characteristics of a web server continuously listens to the client request and returns the requested file, handles more than one request at a time, forking multi-threading. So the answer for our second question is C. It can handle multiple client requests. And now let's go to our question number 3. Which of the following may increase a web page latency? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, third-party services a source of additional delay in the web server's response time. So the answer for our third question is C. Adding third-party services. And now let's go to our question number 4. Packet switching during data transfer over the internet allow packets to arrive out of order because. So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, features of packet switched network. A connectionless system, no fixed routing scheme between the host, routing tables changes based on network state, congestion or link failure, packets arrive out of sequence packets. So the answer for our fourth question is C. Packets independently choose routes based on current network state. And now let's go to our question number 5. HTTP is called a stateless protocol primarily because. So these are the options, and the answer for our fifth question is B. Servers do not store session information between independent requests. And now let's go to our question number 6. Cookie are essential in e-business system because they. So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, cookies to cope with stateless nature of HTTP, tracking a client, supporting applications like shopping cart. So the answer for our sixth question is C. Preserve application context across stateless HTTP interactions. And now let's go to our question number 7. TCP ensures reliable delivery even when packets arrive out of order by. So these are the options. And now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, TCP transmission control protocol, connection oriented handshaking, source port, destination port, sequence number and acknowledgement, sliding window mechanism. So the answer for our seventh question is B. Sequence numbers and acknowledgement. And now let's go to our question number 8. Which device performs protocol translation? So these are the options: switch, router, gateway, repeater. So let's check the explanation. So in explanation, gateways, any network device capable of protocol translation capability. So the answer for our eighth question is C. Gateway. And now let's go to our question number 9. Which memory component benefits from temporal and spatial locality? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, the cache, temporal locality, spatial locality. So the answer for our ninth question is B. Cache. And now let's go to our question number 10. Network attached storage NAS differs from direct attached storage DAS mainly because NAS. So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So in explanation, network access storage NAS system are generally computing storage devices that can be accessed over a computer network, usually TCP/IP, rather than directly being connected to the net computer via a computer bus such as SCSI. So the answer for our 10th question is B. Use TCP/IP protocols to provide file level access over a network. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.